I'm going to do a hair tutorial. I've been watching people. Well, I watched Martina from Simon and Martina show everybody how she does her little bun. And I thought, wow. Is that because your hair's shorter than mine? Or do you not know this technique? This is my bun. It is held in place by one nail polish painted carpentry nail. That's right. It's a nail. It's about a 4-inch nail. As I say, painted with nail polish. That's all that holds my hair in place. That's it. I don't have to have my hair dirty to do this bun either. I can sleep in this bun. I can work in this bun. I can fit it under my hat. I can spend the day with my hair in this bun. This is my hair not in a bun. Lots of hair. In spite of all the shaving, there's still a lot of hair. If you have long hair, I recommend getting one of these brushes. It says on there, 100% boar bristle. I got it at the drugstore, or the superstore. It's available in the drugstore section where they sell hair products. And it will not break or send static flyaway in your hair. So, for starters, for this bun, the first thing we do is get all the hair up to the top, and you use a brush to orient the hair strands. Because especially if your hair has been down all day, those hair strands are going to be oriented in a downwards fashion. And if you just pull them all up, you'll wind up with a lot of ripples and wrinkles that just get uglier and messier as the day passes. Now, in order to do this hairstyle, I have found that I need my hair to be down to my waistband or longer. If it's shorter than my waistband, like if it's up here, this hairstyle won't work. There's not quite enough hair to get it to work. So this is a style for very long hair. Just go ahead and brush all that hair up into your hands. Now, I like to have it at the very top of my head, but wherever you gather your hair is where your bun will appear. So if you want it back here, hold your hands back here. Once you have your hair gathered, fully gathered in tight, no elastics, just start twisting it. Just wrap your finger around it like that and start twisting. Just keep doing that, using your finger to twist as you go. You see? At some point, it starts to want to curl up on its own. You get it tight enough, it starts to curl. And you want to follow that curl around. You want to work with that curl as it goes around. But, now here's the thing. As you coil around, always coil at the bottom of the lump. Always put the hair you're coiling at the bottom. You see? At the bottom. Not in between here, down here, right up against your head. Every single loop, every time, to the bottom. Then, holding the end of the hair with your thumb, put your fingers on the top of it and pull the top loop down over as tightly as you can so that the lump in the middle pops through. Ta-da! That's it. Now at this point, if I'm just wandering around, this will hold for a couple of hours just like this. This will hold until I make some kind of violent hair motion, at which point it'll do that. So, because that is an issue, now you get to watch me do it again. Let's do it again. I'll go over the steps again. It's a lot of fun being able to take your hair down like that and just suddenly take it down and you just give your head a shake, and all of a sudden from nothing to all this hair. It's a real blast. So again, twist, just keep twisting until it starts to loop around itself, and then follow the loop. You can tell I do this all the time. Just keep twisting, looping against your head against your head, against your head. Then, using your thumbs to hold that last loop in place, and your fingers, pull the big fat loop down over the knot. So, now about securing it. That's what the nail is for. The nail actually holds the big ring down over top of the lump, is what it does. It goes in one side, and that's always a little tricky. It likes to catch a few hairs on the way through, so I tend to move it back and forth and twist it. I twist it like this, and I jiggle it back and forth as I go, so that it will go through fully, like so. That holds this loop down, and it only has to be wide enough to fit on the outside of this loop, like that. So it holds the loop down, and now I could be pretty, I think if I went and danced at a rave or a headbanger, I might lose my hair. But for a day at work, painting a house, or in the garden, or just wandering around all day, or even sleeping on it, this hair will stay put. That's it. I don't have to do anything. I've actually left it in for 2 days and had it stay put, and then took it out because I miss touching my hair. I don't comb this thing out because it gets messy. I comb it out because I miss playing with my hair. And then at the end of the day, or whenever, when I want my hair down, it's just yank out the nail and give my head a shake. My hair is down. So that's it. That is the easy bun tutorial for very long hair.